Imagine turning your Linux system into an absolute powerhouse, where everything you do feels faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner who just switched from Windows or a long-time Linux user, the truth is this: Linux itself is only half the story. The real magic comes from the applications you install. And today, you're about to discover 15 of the best Linux applications that you absolutely must have. Apps that can completely transform your workflow, boost productivity, and even make your system feel futuristic. Right from the start, let's talk about one of the most essential applications you'll ever install on Linux, and that is a powerful web browser. While many options exist, Firefox stands out as it's fast, privacy-focused, and deeply customizable. On Linux, Firefox feels even smoother and more optimized than on other platforms. You can tweak it, extend it, and control your browsing experience in ways you simply can't on most systems. And if you're someone who cares about privacy, this becomes even more important. Now, once you're browsing the web, chances are you'll need a solid Office suite. This is where LibreOffice comes in. It's a complete replacement for Microsoft Office. And for most users, it does everything you need. From writing documents to creating spreadsheets and presentations, LibreOffice handles it all. The best part, it's completely free and open source, and it integrates perfectly with Linux. You don't have to worry about licenses, subscriptions, or restrictions. But let's be real, modern workflows aren't just about documents. Communication is everything. That's why Discord is another must-have app. Whether you're collaborating with a team, chatting with friends, or even building a community, Discord works beautifully on Linux. Voice chat, screen sharing, communities, everything just works. It's lightweight, responsive, and incredibly useful for both casual and professional use. Now imagine you're working on something important, coding, writing, or editing, and suddenly your system crashes. That's a nightmare scenario. This is exactly why Timeshift is one of the most important apps you can install. It acts like a system restore tool for Linux. With just a few clicks, you can roll your system back to a previous working state. It's like having a safety net for your entire operating system. And once you set it up, you'll never have to worry about breaking your system again. Speaking of coding and productivity, you absolutely need a powerful code editor. And Visual Studio Code is one of the best options out there. Even though it's developed by Microsoft, it runs incredibly well on Linux. It supports countless extensions, themes, and tools that can turn it into a complete development environment. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, C++, or anything else, VS Code makes the experience smooth and efficient. But not everything is about coding. Let's talk about media. Every Linux user needs a reliable media player, and VLC Media Player is simply unbeatable. It can play almost any video or audio format you throw at it without needing additional codecs. It's lightweight, fast, and just works. No errors, no compatibility issues, no headaches. Now, if you're someone who loves customization and control, then you need a proper terminal emulator. While Linux comes with a default terminal, upgrading to something like Tilix or Alacrity can completely change your experience. These terminals are faster, more customizable, and support advanced features like split panes, GPU acceleration, and better workflow management. Once you switch, going back feels impossible. Let's move into file management. The default file manager on Linux is usually fine, but if you want something more powerful, Dolphin is an excellent choice. It's clean, fast, and packed with features like split views, tabs, and advanced file operations. Managing files becomes significantly easier and more efficient. Now, what about downloading files? This is where UGit comes in. It's a powerful download manager that can accelerate downloads, resume broken downloads, and organize everything neatly. Pair it with a browser extension, and your downloading experience becomes seamless and incredibly fast. If you're into creativity, then GIMP is a must. It's essentially the Linux equivalent of Photoshop, whether you're editing images, designing thumbnails, or creating graphics. GIMP gives you all the tools you need. It may take a little time to learn, but once you get used to it, it becomes incredibly powerful. And for video editing, you can't ignore it. It's one of the best open source video editors available on Linux. Whether you're making YouTube videos, short clips, or professional edits, Cadence provides a full editing suite with transitions, effects, and timeline control. It's stable, feature-rich, and constantly improving. Now let's talk about performance monitoring. If you really want to understand your system, you need an app like it. It's a terminal-based system monitor that shows you exactly what's happening in real time. CPU usage, memory usage, running processes, everything is right there. It's simple, lightweight, and incredibly useful. For those who love gaming, Steam is absolutely essential. Gaming on Linux has improved massively, and with Steam's Proton compatibility layer, you can run many Windows games directly on Linux. It's a game changer, literally. You no longer need to dual boot just to enjoy your favorite games. Now here's something many users overlook: cloud storage. Having access to your files anywhere is important, and apps like Nextcloud Desktop make it easy. You can sync your files, back up your data, and access everything securely from any device. It's like having your own private cloud. And finally, let's talk about security and privacy. Bitwooden is one of the best password managers you can use on Linux. It stores all your passwords securely and allows you to access them across devices. No more remembering dozens of passwords or using weak ones. Everything is encrypted and safe. Now imagine combining all these applications into one Linux system. You have a fast browser, a powerful Office suite, seamless communication, system backups, coding tools, media playback, advanced terminals, efficient file management, accelerated downloads, creative tools, video editing, system monitoring, gaming, cloud storage, and top-level security. This is no longer just an operating system. It's a complete ecosystem tailored to your needs. The beauty of Linux is freedom. You're not locked into a single way of doing things. You choose your tools, your workflow, and your experience. And these 15 applications are not just random picks. They are carefully chosen tools that can elevate your Linux experience to the next level. Once you install and start using them, you'll notice something interesting. Your workflow becomes smoother. Tasks that used to feel complicated become simple. Your system feels faster, more responsive, and more powerful. And most importantly, you're in control. That's what makes Linux special. It's not just about being free or open. It's about building a system that works exactly the way you want. And with the right applications, that system becomes unstoppable. So if you're serious about Linux, don't just install the OS and stop there. Build your ultimate setup. Experiment with these apps. Customize your workflow. Push your system to its limits. Because once you do, you'll realize something very important. Linux isn't just an alternative anymore. For many people, it's the best choice they've ever made.